Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel. In this video I will show you how to get Santa's key in Pet Simulator 99. So this key will give you the ability to access Santa's cottage, and it's a very important key to grab, so let's get right into it. First of all, you will need to grab around 30,000 diamonds for this to be able to buy this gun. You will need to teleport or go to this area, which is area 63, named Frost Mountains. So just go ahead and teleport to this area or unlock it if you don't have it unlocked already. And when you come here, you will find this snow merchant. You can go ahead and purchase your Snowball Launcher and also around 10 snowballs, at least 10 snowballs. I will get 20 just because maybe I will miss some shots, but 10 will be enough for you if you don't miss any shots. So when you finish with your purchase, you can go ahead and teleport back to the spawn area. In this area we can find this event door on the right, and if we go in, you will need to unlock all of these areas and go all the way to the 9th area over here. And as you can see, you have some targets all around the place. This area is called Snowball Fort. Go ahead and teleport to this spot, and then you can go into your inventory and just find your Snowball Launcher. Press once on it, it will equip it. And when it's equipped, you can see this unequip button below the inventory interface. So make sure it's equipped, and also make sure you don't use your hoverboard for this, so you can be more precise. Go into your first person by scrolling in, and you can just hold your right click to be able to control your aim and go ahead and find all these targets like I do on the screen. There you go. I knew I was gonna miss something. It's good we got 20 instead of 10 balls. And these targets will become green if you hit them. In the middle of the screen you can see the indicator saying how much more targets are left. And when you find them all, you will get the Santa key. You can also collect these presents in the same manner. And that's it. That's all that you need to do to grab the Santa's key in Pet Simulator 99. Now you can go ahead and use this key to access Santa's cottage. And that's all that I prepared for you in this video, guys. If you have any more questions, feel free to ask me down in the comments. I will be there to answer you. If this video was useful for you, like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.